So we realized we had this core expertise in inspecting aging infrastructure in the field. But then we had this knowledge and experience to couple that with, what do you do with all that data, right? So you've got a problem, you've got an asset that's got an issue. There are firms out there that can tell you, hey, you got a problem. But really what they're looking for is, tell me what I do about it. What is the solution? And that really takes kind of all the engineering and remediation expertise we bring to the table as that kind of second or third component of how you deal with your asset. And so that kind of core expertise, this inspect and this remediate and this life extension that we can bring is really unique in the marketplace. And then if you can do that and have all this data helping you drive those decisions, it really becomes a great value proposition to our client, because it's not just we're going to go out and shotgun inspect everything and repair everything. It's no, let the assets or the environment tell you where you should spend your money. And so when you add this inspection piece, this engineering piece, this remediation piece, and this data piece, and you get all that pulled together, it becomes quite a valuable proposition for our clients, because they get more for every dollar they're spending when they spend with XO, and they're getting solutions, and that's ultimately what they want.